Today we are making emotions wheel, and to make that you need 3 papers, 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to keep these papers one on top of each other. I'm going to use my cutter. You can really draw a circle and cut it. So here are the 3 circles that I've cut. I am now going to paint the circle. Divide the circle into 8 parts. Do the same thing to this one. Now that both your circles are ready, I want you to keep one circle aside and take the other circle and cut it into a smaller size. This is the bottom, this comes above it, and this comes above it. First, let us start doing these 2 circles. Now let us just write the emotions that we feel. Let's color our emotions in beautiful bright colors, because none of the emotions need to be graded as black or dark. Once you're done coloring all your emotions, we are now going to see the 3rd circle. So your first circle is a rainbow, the second are the names of the emotions, and the 3rd is going to be what you need to do if you have that kind of an emotion. For that, keep the circle on the side and get your last circle back. I'm going to use these colored Sharpies and write all the emotions to match with the color, so the child knows what to do what.